have not been on here in months, which is crazy. I had a lot of stuff going on, working on some new stuff, so I've been pretty busy. But we are starting a new vlog today. I am on my way to work. You guys just see me get ready, semi-get ready. And now I am heading out. I'm a little late, but I don't have to be at work at a certain time. I just try to get there early so that I can leave early. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and leave, and I will probably catch you guys maybe when I leave work. So it is the next day. I did not really vlog much yesterday. Y'all saw me get ready for work, and that was pretty much it. Me and Bae had something come up that we needed to take care of, so we took care of it, came home, ate, and laid down. That was pretty much it. There was no point in me even vlogging that. But today we're both at home. Well, Bae just left to go take care of something. I'm working at home today. So I'm gonna cook today. That was my goal yesterday, but I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna cook today. We're trying to eat a lot healthier because of Thanksgiving tours up, so we're gonna eat healthy until Christmas probably. But yeah, today I don't really have much to do. I'm working on laundry because we needed to catch up on that, and then we cleaned up a little bit this morning. My dad, my stepmom, and my sister came over here. My husband went to go pick them up from the train station this morning because they took the train from Virginia to here in Atlanta. So my husband went to go pick them up this morning, and they came and sat with us, and we ate breakfast together, and then they just left back out. And then my husband just left out too to go take care of something. So I do need to record a video for a company that sent me some skincare products. So I need to record those videos, but I don't know if I'll do that today. I don't know. Probably do it today. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, so I will catch up with you guys later on. All right, y'all. So I just had to pause for a little bit so that I could clean up my kitchen. I do not like cooking in a dirty kitchen, so I had to clean it up a little bit. And now I'm about to cut these onions up. I got the rice on, and now I'm about to cut up my purple onions. I got the bell peppers cut up somewhat. So I am cutting up these purple onions now. And then this meat will be next because I'm going to go ahead and cook this meat down. So that way everything will be done when Bae comes home. So here are my onions and bell peppers done. This is the diced tomatoes I'm going to be using for the food. And y'all can hear my rice over here just going at it. I'm about to go ahead and start putting the rice on. I mean, not the rice, the meat on. So that way I can go ahead and be letting that cook, and then throw everything together, and then we will be done. I got the rice up under, and you can see the green beans, bell peppers, onions, all that good stuff. Hey y'all, so it is Friday. I did not vlog Wednesday or Thursday because it wasn't really nothing to show you guys. I just went to work, came home, cleaned up, cooked, and nothing else. So that's pretty much all I did those 2 days. And then today I got work, and then I'm going to get off early so I can go to a doctor's appointment I have, and then I need to go vote. If you're in Georgia, please make sure you go vote, okay? Because you already know why. Okay, let's just vote. Anyways, I'm about to get some work done. I'm waiting for Bay to come back. He went to go get us breakfast from Flying Biscuit, so I will make sure to show y'all that. But yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey y'all, so it is 5 o'clock. I did not vlog. It wasn't really much for me to vlog anyway. I just went to my doctor's appointment. Bay ended up coming with me to my doctor's appointment, and then we did some shopping. We did some Christmas shopping, and then he got him some clothes. I got like a shirt that I found that I liked it, but I won't really do a haul because most of the stuff is Christmas gifts, and I do not want to show those because my family watches my vlogs, and you know, they're gonna see what they got. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap those up and put those right up under the tree until I see them. I'm not even halfway done with Christmas shopping. I really just honestly got started. I'm doing mostly online though, because you know, a lot of stuff is online now. You can get great deals online than when you would go into a store. I am doing most of my shopping online. Christmas shopping is getting done online. I just really went out because Bay needed some clothes, and he likes to try on his stuff before he buy and all this and that. So we really went out for him, and then the stores that we went into for him, I got Christmas stuff out of. So I just said, you know, let me go ahead and get some of this stuff. Right now we're at Walmart. Bay went in because I did not feel like going in, standing in that line. He went in to go get us some, I don't know, taco stuff. I think that's what he said he wanted. But I don't think I'm gonna eat that. I think I'm just probably gonna eat some cereal and call it a day. Y'all know you have them days where you just want something light, so that's what I feel like I just want, and just lay down and relax. Probably edit this vlog because I'm going to be on time with posting this vlog. Y'all are going to get this vlog on Sunday. What's Sunday's date? December 4th. Y'all are gonna get this vlog on December 4th. Okay, y'all are getting this vlog on time. So I'm gonna go home and start editing this vlog so y'all can get that. And then I need to post another clip. I had to do a promo video for a company, so I'm going to post that on my YouTube. I'm just gonna do like a YouTube short. I posted it on TikTok, and then I'm gonna do a YouTube short, so that can be done. But yeah, I will probably talk to you guys tomorrow. I don't think I'll have anything else to vlog today. So happy Saturday, y'all. So right now I am cooking breakfast. Bay wanted turkey bacon, turkey sausage, grits, and eggs. So that's what I'm making right now. We're not really doing much today. It's game day. You got FIFA and football today, so we're just gonna be staying at home watching the games. And then tomorrow we're gonna do a little bit more Christmas shopping. But like I told you, I like to online shop, but Bay wanted to go out to go look for some more clothes. So like, I think he's trying to redo his whole wardrobe without telling me. But he wanted to go look for more clothes, and then he wanted me to do his hair. So that's what we're gonna do. He wanted like some, I don't know what he want. I think he want like the three strand braids for his locks. So I guess I'll do that. I need to do something to my hair too, y'all, because I've been just letting it go. Like, I just been washing it and just keeping it moisturized and just going. I haven't like straightened it in a while. I haven't did anything, but I might put some braids in it next weekend. We will just see.